Most people dream of retiring early, but very few ever make it a reality. The biggest reason isn't a lack of ambition. It's a lack of financial knowledge and the right investment strategy. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 Fidelity ETFs that could help accelerate your journey to financial independence, retire early, or as it's better known, FIRE. Together, these funds combine high-growth investments, dividend income, and alternative assets to create a powerful portfolio designed to build wealth faster than relying on a single investment alone. By the end of this video, you'll understand how these 3 ETFs work together, why they complement each other so well, and how they can give your FIRE portfolio a unique edge, bringing you one step closer to achieving financial freedom sooner than you ever thought possible. ETF number 1, FTEC. First up is FTEC, the Fidelity MSCI Information Technology Index ETF. FTEC tracks the performance of the MSCI USA IMI Information Technology 25/50th Index. The fund invests at least 80% of its assets in companies included in the index, providing broad exposure to the U.S. technology sector. FTEC is designed for one purpose: long-term growth. Rather than spreading investments across every sector of the economy, it concentrates on the companies driving innovation in artificial intelligence, semiconductors, cloud computing, software, and digital infrastructure, sectors that grow big and fast. It holds major companies like NVIDIA, Apple, Microsoft, Broadcom, AMD, Micron Technology, Cisco Systems, and Applied Materials, some of the biggest technology companies shaping the future of the global economy. The ETF pays a quarterly dividend, currently yielding approximately 0.41%, and since its launch, FTEC has delivered an outstanding annualized return of roughly 22%, making it one of Fidelity's strongest performing sector ETFs. For FIRE investors, FTEC serves as the growth engine of the portfolio. ETF number 2, FBTC. Next is FBTC, the Fidelity Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund. Launched in January 2024, FBTC provides investors with direct exposure to the price of Bitcoin, allowing investors to own Bitcoin through a traditional brokerage account without having to manage digital wallets or private keys. Unlike traditional stock ETFs, FBTC doesn't invest in companies. Instead, it holds physical Bitcoin with the objective of closely tracking Bitcoin's market price before expenses. Because Bitcoin does not produce earnings or dividends, FBTC pays no dividend. Instead, its entire investment thesis revolves around long-term capital appreciation as Bitcoin adoption continues to grow. For FIRE investors with a higher risk tolerance, FBTC can serve as a high-risk, high-reward position, offering diversification beyond stocks while providing exposure to one of the fastest-growing alternative asset classes. ETF number 3, FDVV. FDVV, the Fidelity High Dividend ETF, is a fund that invests at least 80% of its assets in large and mid-cap U.S. companies that not only pay attractive dividends today, but also have the potential to continue increasing those dividends over time. Some of its largest holdings include JPMorgan Chase, Coca-Cola, Microsoft, ExxonMobil, Home Depot, Procter & Gamble, and over 100 more established dividend-paying companies. FDVV currently pays a quarterly dividend, with a yield of roughly 3.3%, and has generated an annualized return of approximately 12.5% since inception. For FIRE investors approaching retirement, FDVV provides the income component of the portfolio, generating cash flow while still offering meaningful long-term appreciation. The main reason these 3 ETFs work so well together is that each plays a different role. FTEC provides long-term growth through technology. FBTC adds exposure to an alternative asset with significant upside potential. FDVV delivers growing dividend income that can eventually help fund your retirement. Together, they create a simple but powerful combination of growth, diversification, and passive income, 3 of the most important ingredients for achieving financial independence and retiring early. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe for more ETF investing content.